welcome back to Never Done Projects. This man likes to sit in front of his fan, but hey, Diddy, I would like to take the exhaust off of that Camaro. You want to go make a before clip, because we plan on running pretty well straight headers until I can make a boom tube.
Sure.
You want to do that real quick?
I can.
All right. Your fan ain't gonna be there. I heard that thing's kind of loud on the videos.
I'll be back.
Okay. All right, so this is exactly how it was when we left Piedmont the other night. It does have long tube headers on it. Totally has catalytic converters. Nope, it doesn't. But here's the main reason why I want to take the exhaust off. If you look, you're not level, but you see that passenger side exhaust. You see how much lower that is than the driver's side, and I just think that looks bad, and that sucks. But we'll get you a little exhaust clip real quick. Hold on. Come on, Diddy, start it. All right, that's before we take it off. All right, we're gonna set y'all up right here. Hopefully you're far enough away from the fan. It's kind of hard to see up underneath there. I think he just got me a 9/16. Part of the reason it sounds the way it does is there is a major exhaust leak compared to the rest of the exhaust system on the passenger side. So if we can get this exhaust from the headers back off, maybe we can make our own like boom tube side pipe type exhaust. But we at least gonna get it where it's straight header, it's not an exhaust leak, and we ain't got those ghetto looking different height rear tips. But here we go.
And we are looking into getting a mic so that it will help out a little bit, just so y'all know.
Daddy.
Yeah.
This transmission.
Huh?
Holy crap, look what I'm about to hand you. Or listen to this, listen. You know, the bolt that runs down and bolts right here, nut and bolt right here, it's in tight, but the other two are loose. That 9/16 might. Hand me that small one. Come on, I got it. I'll have to have it. Let me get a 9/16 wrench if I can. Please. God. Turn the fan off. Well, that was easy.
Okay, my friends, it goes with the open headers.
Open headers, LT1350. Can't tell no difference. That was only 13.5 minutes.
You speed up that.
I can speed up all the
in the middle
fighting, but well, hey, let's see noise comparison. Hey, Black Betty, you gonna start, or you gonna be a pain in my hind end? Cause you a 350 straight header. Question is, are you gonna be camera friendly and start? I think y'all like this thing better than anything else. All right, it's pretty close. There's a lot more popping and banging over there. Thank y'all. Hey, before we cut this video off, I mean, we just gonna make a quick little video, but Dad likes orange, and you know, orange letters, black car, maybe some orange lights. We think that'll look good. This is just a little Amazon special. We ain't gonna use that. We're gonna wire it straight to the battery. But see if we can put these Amazon special lights on there. But it might look good, it might not. But either way, we're gonna try it. Here we go.